And then, interestingly, they have here a vending machine of cup noodles. So when you get a cup noodle, I think you can get the hot water from over here and then enjoy your cup noodle. So I'm interested into trying out this chicken noodle because I don't always often see this in the market, so we'll try this out. It's 150 yen. I'm gonna drop here 150, and then here. Okay, so it dropped here, over here, and I have the chicken noodle. I'm gonna tear it open, and then wait up, because it's so dry nowadays because of the change in season. Ta-da! And then, yep, tear it open and put some water from here. Okay, so maybe I should open it more. Okay, I think that's better.
You can push it up.
It's not working. It's not working. So maybe we should ask inside for hot water because it's not working. Okay, where's my mask so I don't scare them away? We need to go inside to get hot water.
はい、ありがとうございます。それね、ドアをね、閉めてボタンを
ああ、わかりました。
押してからボタンね。
Arigatou gozaimasu. So I think based on his explanation, I have to like shut the door closed and then press the button while shutting the door closed. So maybe it's like a form of safety procedure so that maybe. Yeah, it's working now. But I don't know when to stop because I cannot see. Maybe more. It's kind of a hassle because I cannot see. Maybe like that. More. Yep. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna get it out of here. That's interesting, right? But more hassle than usual. Okay, now we wait. All right.
That's okay.
So, okay. Okay, let's try it out now. It's getting cold, so I guess this will taste good now because it's getting cold now. Okay. Okay. Itadakimasu. Oops. I mean, instant noodles are the best. Itadakimasu. I love the smell. These are totally much better than the udon and soba that we tried earlier. Okay. Oh, it's not so. Yeah, I choose this over the udon and soba from earlier. Delicious. So I'm adding some spice here because I love spicy stuff. And this is much more, like way more delicious than the soba and udon that we had earlier. And I love spice, so I'm adding a lot of spice over here. Haha! Over here. Haha! I love this. I don't know what they call this, but kara something in Japanese. I love their spice. I can eat tons of this. I can put this in all, like in every dish. Even taste chili. It's delicious. I'm ready. Yay! Itadakimasu. Okay. I'm gonna try to sip. Spice is the best. Spice is the best. Yeah, so basically I love this instant ramen much better than the udon and soba from earlier. Too bad, because the noodles from earlier are a little bit soggy, and you know, nothing beats instant noodles. Nothing beats cup noodles. But I added some spice here because I love spicy food, and it's becoming cold nowadays. I don't know what the temperature is now. I'm betting it's 13 degrees or 14 degrees. I'm not sure, because we just had the change of season, so it's coming autumn. But in autumn, I don't know, like the seasons in Japan are just fluctuating whenever they change from one season to another. So I'm just gonna enjoy it here. So basically this is a very unusual, this vending machine is unusual. Although Japan is famous for putting everything in a vending machine, having an udon vending machine is very different, and maybe in the whole Kansai area there are only 3 of this. But I wouldn't really recommend the noodles over here because, first, hygiene wise, I have issues. Like, it's not the best well-kept machine, and I wouldn't want to eat it here again. Second, the noodles were a bit soggy. I'm not sure why, but they're a bit soggy. Although the tempura and the broth tasted very good, it's just that I have issues with the noodles not being very good. I'd rather eat at the instant noodle vending machine over there. Instant noodles are the best. Nothing beats instant noodles if you want tasty, hot dish. That's it.